When someone says snow days, I think of fun. So, I got a DVD and CD, and we would have fun with the CD and the DVD. Now, just give me a moment here to zoom in to my good old friend, the microwave. He is going to give us something fun to do. Now, first, I'm going to try a regular 700 meg CD that you'd find anywhere else. Get that inside, and get a blank. We're going to put it in for 5 seconds. It's not even going to take all 5 seconds for it to work. That's what happens when you microwave a CD. Oh my, does it look terrible. This is what a CD looks like after it's been put through a microwave. Now, this is a normal 4.7 gig DVD that you would find in a normal store. Now, just because I fear that the DVD is going to have more of an impact, I'm going to put it on a plate, that way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the microwave. But, hopefully, we should see the same effect. Put it in for a good old 5 seconds, and wait for it. See the time on the microwave. And this is a DVD put through a microwave. That's my idea of a good weekend.